Hello my dear friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. For today's project, we're gonna use this Chestnut Paracord 550 and this yellow Paracord 550 as well. Before we start, if you want to learn how to make this 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box, where you can find the tutorial for this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, and 4 more awesome Paracord projects, so check the information cards and the description box down below. The credit for this amazing Paracord project goes to our friend Elena Polkanova, so make sure to check the description box down below, where I will post the link to Elena's Instagram profile. So that being said, we're gonna start. I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see. From here, we're gonna take our feed and our yellow paracord, and we're gonna insert it from the back through these house hitches here. So from the back through, and then we're gonna pull it in between these 2 strands. Now the same from the top through the house hitches. So from here we're gonna take the ends of our yellow paracord and we're gonna pull them together. So we'll find the center of it and have the equal length on the both sides. So we created our working ends and the bracelet core. We're gonna start with the weaving pattern. So we're gonna take the right side strand and pass it from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on the left side, and then to the right. From here we're gonna take our yellow strand and we're gonna pass it under the working end and from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on the right side. And we're gonna pull it. From here we're gonna take our left side chestnut strand and we're gonna pull it from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on the right side. And now we're gonna return it from the back through the gap between first and second core strand from this left side. Now take the left side yellow and from the back under this working end and from the top into the gap between first and second core strand from the left side, and pull it through. Now we're gonna pull this left side working end and we're gonna secure this right side strand here. So pull it all the way. Now we're gonna pull the gold one to lock it in place, like so. Then we're gonna lock this right side strand with our right side yellow. So pull it and cinch it. Now from here we are left to lock this strand again. So we're gonna take our left side chestnut and we're gonna go through the loop we created here, so through the loop, and then from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on the right side. Now we're gonna return it from the back through the gap between first and second core strand from the left side, and then through the loop as well. From here take the yellow strand and pass it under the working end, and then from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand on the left side, and pull it through. Untangle it. Now from here we're gonna pull this right side working end, so we're gonna lock our left side strand So we're gonna pull the right side strand all the way firmly, cinch it, and then we're gonna do the same with the left side strand. So now from here we're gonna continue. We're gonna take our right side working end and we're gonna pass it through the loop here, and then from the top into the gap between first and second core strand from the left side. Pull it all the way. Then we're gonna return it from the back through the gap between first and second core strand from this right side here, and pull it once more through the loop or through this bite as you wish. Then take the yellow strand, pass it under the working ends, and then from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand on the right side. Now we're gonna pull this left side chestnut and lock it. Then we're gonna lock our yellow strand. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!